Welcome to InvestEd Central's Market Minute, sponsored by StockCharts.com. Simply the web's best financial charts.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to March 7th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of InvestEd Central. Right now we get the Dow futures up 52, the S&P futures are up 5, and NASDAQ futures are up 12. Asian shares were lower, while European shares were higher overnight. World markets were all down substantially into Tuesday morning, with U.S. futures down hard as well. The market opened lower with no serious attempt by the bulls to stem the early losses. By the time the market opened, all of the major indexes had pulled back sharply. Today we'll get ADP employment change at 8:15 a.m. with the market expecting 218,000 jobs. There are no key earnings reports due out today. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day at 1354, the 50-day at 1321, and the 200-day at 1258. We've got support on the S&P at 1325 and resistance at 1354. Tuesday got off to a rocky start with the bulls unable to stop the market from going lower. As we've been discussing for some time now, it was important for the S&P to hold its 20-day moving average, but that didn't happen. Instead, the S&P opened below the 20-day and never recovered. Now the odds have increased that the S&P could head lower in the near term, with the 50-day moving average at 1321 in sight, unless the bulls can quickly recapture the momentum and lift the S&P back over 1354. Here's a bully trend fact. The March to May time period is very bullish for small cap stocks, with annualized returns the past 23 years totaling 17.73%, 21.84%, and 17.96% respectively for those 3 months. This compares quite favorably with the November to January time period. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.